Hi everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video we will be learning how to see sent friend requests on Facebook. First step is to open your Facebook app and go to your menu at the top right corner and click on your profile. So you just need to click on the three dots below your profile and go to activity log. From here you need to click on connections. Just click on it and these three options will appear. Under friends, click on this arrow here at the right side and click on send friend request. This will show friend requests that you had sent, and that's it. You can also find them in recycle bin, archive, or you can also filter with categories here with date and all. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.